Hi everyone, welcome to Essay Share classes. Today in this video, draw an incircle of an equilateral triangle whose length of each side is 5.5 centimeter. So please watch the video till the end. So let's start the video. First of all, let us draw here a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. So this is a 5.5 centimeter line segment. Again, draw here a line segment of length 5.5 centimeter. Leveling here point B and C. Next, measuring the length 5.5 centimeter with the help of compass and putting the compass on the point B and drawing here an arc again with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So both arcs meet at a point. Now joining A and B first, then joining A and C. So this is the required equilateral triangle. Next, we have to bisect the angle B with the help of compass. So putting the compass on the point B and taking such length and drawing here an arc again with same length and putting the compass here and drawing here an arc again with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So now joining this, and this is a bisector of the angle B. Next, by similar way, bisecting the angle C with the help of compass. So drawing here an arc again with same length and cut here. Now joining this, and this is another bisector of the angle C. Both the bisector meet at a point, so taking here point O. Now draw here a perpendicular line from the point O to the line BC. So putting the compass on the point O and taking length by this way and drawing here an arc. Okay. Now putting the compass here and taking same length and draw here an arc again with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. Okay. Now joining this, and this is a perpendicular line to the line BC from the point O. Now here meet at a point D. So taking here point D. Next, measuring the length OD and considering OD as a radius of the incircle. So draw here an incircle with radius OD. So this is a perfect incircle of the equilateral triangle. Next, length of each side of this equilateral triangle is 5.5 centimeter. Now I am going to check length of the radius. So this is approximately 1.6 or 7. So radius OD equal 1.6 centimeter approximately. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends.